Today we're going to be making slime! Okay, now it's kind of weird, but you will need a bowl, paint, borax, glue, lotion, shaving cream. Today we're making fluffy slime. And if you want, you can add the touch of glitter. Alright, let's get started. So, you will put in, doesn't matter what you put in first. Okay. You will put in your borax first. No. You will put in your glue first. Ugh. Smells good. Now let's see how well this thing squirts. Wow, I'm going to need to do this faster. Ugh. Some glue's hard to open. Don't make the whole bottle. That's enough glue. You can do however much you want, but I'm going to save a bottle because I might want to make more after this video. So, this is gel shaving cream, so you're going to want to mix it up and give it a little mix. But if you have regular shaving cream, just leave it. I haven't ever squirted this before. Now stir it up until it becomes shaving cream. Let's add some more. What? So this is fluffy slime, so the more shaving cream, the fluffier you'll get. Oh, it smells so good. But don't add too much, it won't work. I think we have a nice consistency here. Tiny bit more. Alrighty. We are going to put this away over here. Actually, which one should I use?
That one's shampoo, that one's lotion. You can add both if you want, though.
I'm going to add both. This is lotion. You'll definitely need lotion if you're going to make fluff slime. Well, it's actually fluffy slime, but... Oh, this is weird. Well, I need more.
If you want to.
Oh, this is not being very nice today. How could you, Sally? FYI, if you don't know me, sometimes I can get a little wacky. Stand that up like that, because that is not going out. Give a little mixy mix. Now, gonna add your shampoo. This is shampoo. This is optional. Whoa. What? Now I did about 10 little squirts. Sometimes it can be a little weird with work. Wait, it's already turning blue.
Could I dye it? Could I dye it? If you want to. It depends if you want it blue or not. No. But if you dye it pink, it might turn purple.
Wait, do you dye it first or add borax?
Dye it first. And add sequins if you want sequins.
I am going to pick the magic ingredient, paint. But if you don't want it colored, you don't have to.
Or you can use food coloring.
I'm going to use Lucky Paint number red. Sometimes get a little whack. Ouch! That really hurt. Leave that open in case we need a little bit more. That looks like a bloody zombie brain.
Do you like the color or do you want it to be a darker red?
Darker red. I want this to be a little dark.
I would add this actually.
Yeah. I want this to be a little darker, so I'm going to have my dark red food dye. Ooh, nice little lid you have here. I know. I love the dark red color. Now this will make it super dark red. Make this like a bloody zombie. Aw, it's not as red as I hoped.
You can add more. It just might stain your hands. I'm not sure.
I'm going to add the tiniest amount. Because if you add too much, it'll stain your hands. How do you know if it'll stain your hands or not? When you play with it. I know, I'm not the best host. No, this is actually all my friend's stuff. I hope that I'm not doing like this wrong or something. Alright. I'd like it a little bit darker, but I don't want it to stain my hands. So, I'm just not gonna do these. That was optional.
Here, I'll do it because you don't want to add too much, or else it'll ruin your slime.
I know how to do that. Wait.
Okay, but you want to add a
How does
little
it come
bit
out?
at a time.
Like
okay?
this?
You unscrew it
Oh, wow.
and pour a tiny bit in.
It touched my skin. Will I die? No. Alright, I'm going to get out a jar because I don't really trust myself.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
If you don't trust yourself, use a jar. I do not trust myself.
Okay.
More? Not good.
Don't. Well, yeah, just pour all of that in and then we'll see. All right. Now we're gonna mix this together.
Oh, yep. Starting to form. I know it looks a little crazy right now. But after stirring for about maybe 1 to 2 minutes, you might be able to pick it up. If not, add a little bit more borax if too sticky. Let's see. Yeah, too sticky. Little bit too sticky. And remember, if you could hear my videotaper, not a lot of borax or else it will ruin your slime. What will it do? I'm not sure. I'm sorry, I'm not the best host. Alrighty. Let's see if we're good. Alright. Now I am going to take out my spoon and try and play with this.
Okay. Just kind of like dump it out on the table. Well, actually, that might be a bad idea. I don't know. Just kind of take it out and start kneading it, and then it should.
All right. Where do I put this?
Just set it. Well, I'll put it in. Oh, I'll put it in there for now.
Oh, it's so cool. Now, one thing that you would want to know about slime is that you cannot wash it down the drain. You can wash a very little amount down the drain.
Whoa, this is really sticky.
I know.
But it's really fluffy.
All right, I need to go to the bathroom, and I think that we are done. So just take a minute to admire that bloodiness.
It almost stained the table.
Help, Sophia. I need to go to the bathroom.
Bye, guys.